Ciao everyone, Sylvia here. So welcome to my Tattoo Coloring Books Empire review. Alright, so we've got the newest launch by Alessandro Zamboni. It is going live today, June the 27th at 10 a.m. New York time. And as soon as it goes live, you will be able to check it out. Check out the sales page below my review. That's my affiliate link, so should you wish to pick it up via my link, that would be great. You would make my day if that's the product for you, obviously, so stick with me for the whole duration of this video, ideally if you want to clue yourself up what this product is all about. And in essence, that's the members area, by the way, so I'll show you around. However, yeah, as I was saying, to put it briefly, with this product is a PDF training course, so I've got it here, I've got the bonus here as well, and a lot of bonuses that you get from me if you pick it up via the link below my review. And going back to what the product is all about, it will teach you how to create tattoo coloring books in minutes with the power of AI. And here's the interesting thing, guys. Apparently, almost half of the world's population is tattooed. Not me, but a lot of people are. There's a clear indication that the interest and the demand is there. So don't worry, you're not gonna be getting people tattooed here. You're just gonna create tattoo coloring books, which those people who have been tattooed, I guess, to those people it will be appealing. Alright, so, and they apparently sell like hot cross buns, yet they're still unsaturated, so the market for it is still not oversaturated. Okay, so I'll let you check out the sales page, and as they say here, massive market, so 46 to 48 of people have a tattoo. Imagine how huge this market is. Well, it's like I cannot argue with that. You know, I am personally not a fan of tattoos. But the fact is that the demand for it is there. A lot of people would be interested. So these are the sort of like tattoo style coloring pages you would be able to create. And Alessandro Zamboni will break it down into like 5 most popular niches. So it's about knowing what kind of tattoo coloring pages to create, what kind of books. The worst thing you can do, okay, that guarantees lack of success, is going for the broad general niches. You don't want to do that, you want to avoid that. So you want to go for a sub niche, okay, smaller niches. And also, like Alessandro, having analyzed and gone through many tattoo books, he's been studying this subject for well over a year, apparently, okay? So he's done his research and he's come to his like conclusions on what niches and sub niches to target. Alright, and he will give you 5 great ideas inside of this PDF training, inside of this book, on sub niches you can target in your books. With 100 tattoo ideas you can build books around. Okay, so that's that. Right, so there's Alessandro and Paolo, his launch partner as well. And guys, please, go through the sales page, you have access to it, so go check it out. It's gonna be below my review in the description box, and see if that's something you would be interested in. We'll also go and check out the funnel. So you see, he listed the niches, okay, that are most popular. So like the 20 classic tattoos, 20 Japanese tattoos, 20 Celtic tattoos, so sort of like Irish, Scottish, and all of that, right? English. 20 new school tattoos, 20 tribal tattoos, like sort of like from New Zealand and all of that, tribal stuff. And 25 prompts you will also get that you can use to create these tattoos. Okay, and much more training on how to upscale them, how to actually put them into books, how to create the book covers. All of that is covered in this PDF training. It's 33 pages long, And there's another additional training, like a bonus training, which is also very interesting. Another way of making even more profits. And here they give you examples of what kind of tattoos you can create. And you can create them, guys, obviously with Midjourney, DALL-E, if you have ChatGPT, or you can create them even with the Leonardo.ai. That's what I was using, okay? I still use a free account of Leonardo.ai. You get 150 credits a day and they renew daily. So I created quite a few tattoo coloring pages, having taken the prompts from the training course. Okay, and here's are some examples. There you go. So that's what I created. Check this out. Looking hot. Okay, not to me, but you know, it's like, as I said, each to their own. And I mean, what have I done? All right, we're back. But this one is pretty cool. Geisha. So, and then, you know, like but with Leonardo.ai, if you want to remove background, I mean, if you want to upscale, you would need to actually sign up for the paid version. That's Leonardo.ai I'm talking about. With Midjourney, guys, you can do a trial and then it's going to cost you, you can do a 1 month trial, then it's going to cost you $10 a month. But Leonardo.ai is totally free. Okay, but you don't have to upscale like using, say, a free version of Leonardo.ai. If you want to upscale them, so you just download them from here, right? And then in order to upscale them, just follow the training. Okay, I'll quickly take you through the training. It's gonna be blurred, obviously, because, you know, that's what you're paying for, but yeah, so he goes through the niches, and then later on he gives you to each and every niche you would get the prompts needed for your AI image creator to spit out those pages, right? And then a lot of tools, a lot of tutorials, additional, like you'll have links to additional tutorials on how to, let me just refresh my knowledge. I finished reading it like a couple of hours ago, but I have already forgotten some of the stuff. So you will have a training on how to create a cover for your paper book, how to do it for free with Canva. You will here also, you see this link, you will have a training on how to publish on Amazon. With my bonuses, I'll give you another different ideas on how to monetize those coloring pages. So here are my bonuses. So stay tuned for that. And then we also have some training on how to, it's actually, this one is very interesting, how to use photopea.com. Photopea is a free version of Photoshop, right? And you know, when creating covers like ebook, I mean, those would be actually physical books, okay, obviously, because people do want to color them in, okay, for real. But it's a good idea to put on the back side of that book examples of the coloring pages you have inside of the book, and some of them would be colored. And in order to accomplish this effect, okay, you would use Photopea. Okay, so you can color one of the black and white images, and it's pretty simple. You just use a free version of Photopea, and there is this magic wand sort of feature in Photopea to select image areas to color, and with this tool. Okay, so yeah, plenty of tutorials and instructions and very good ideas also on how to, what kind of niches to target and all of that. And then you also have a tutorial here how to make a black and white image clear of any gray area, because sometimes the contrast is not there, quite there, okay, even as I was creating, you know, these ones. So you want for them to fit into a coloring page category, the contrast needs to be there. Like, you know, it's too grayish, right? But you can correct that just by following this tutorial. And also, just in case you don't have the advanced feature of Midjourney or Leonardo.ai, because you're not on the paid plan of Leonardo.ai, there is another upscaler, a free one you can totally use that Alessandro recommends. Okay, and there's also a pretty cool link to a video that will keep you up to date with all of the Kindle updates to do with Amazon and Kindle publishing as well. Okay, all right, and then we have more resources and links, like clickable links here to the tools that Alessandro personally uses, spying Kindle, other Kindle publishers, or the so-called publisher rocket to do the keyword research and other tools as well. So that's that. And then also you get this bonus, sort of like a report, how to create temporary tattoos, which you can use to market yourself, that you can sell to people. And this bonus is mentioned here on the sales page. This is the one, Temporary Tattoos Empire, a report to let you see a new product you can create. So you would create a product, you would create a coloring page with your AI image generator, whatever one you choose to use. Okay, and then you would go to another platform that is called Stickler Mule, which creates temporary tattoos and sends them over to you. All right, and you could use those to advertise your business, okay, and shops around the world. Temporary tattoos are fantastic advertising, as they say here, and can be used to power up your business. So that's something extra, you know, Alessandro created for you based on his own research and him being so fascinated about this niche. Alright guys, and here are some bonuses which will help you monetize these coloring pages. So a training course on Etsy, how to sell on Etsy, guys. I have a guide, a training course on how to use Fiverr as a freelancer. You can also sell these coloring pages as gigs. It's very popular on freelancing platform as well. Here is a training on how to rapidly build easy money machines with AI images. So under AI images can be tattoo coloring pages too. So that's to do with freelancing platforms too. Then how to create amazing images with AI with Midjourney, an advanced thorough training on how to use Midjourney, just in case you're not familiar with it. You have it, but you don't quite use it to its full potential. Here's a training for you. And mind you, these products are PLR products. Most of the bonuses I give you access to, except for the last one, which is called the Ultimate Facebook Traffic Trick by Mark Haas. That's another way of bringing eyeballs to your products that you want to sell, by creating a very special Facebook group, which is more like a search engine. Okay, so you can niche down, narrow down, and create a Facebook group in that niche. Okay guys, now let's go through the funnel. Let me show you the prices and all of the upsells you will have here. So the front end is $17. There will be more upsells. Let me just find them here for you. And then that's the members area. Okay, so you click here to get access to those like 2 PDFs that you would download. Okay, as I have downloaded them and I've already gone through them, so I'm not gonna go through it again. Here's an invitation to his like monthly group, like a membership, where Alessandro will do live calls and show you how to earn real money, as he says. And down below you have access to the upsells in case you haven't picked them up right after you've bought the front end. Alright, and here we have the funnel. Now, there will be OTO number 1 for $27, guys. And that's a guide that shows you five more tattoo genres with the same quality of the front end product. OTO number 2 is a collection of 600, sorry, I keep clicking on something and stuff keeps popping up. Never mind. It's for $17, OTO number 1, a collection of 648 Midjourney prompts for high quality tattoos for coloring books. So done for you really products, okay? Done for you coloring pages. Plenty of them. And, you know, having all of these coloring pages will allow you to create quite a few coloring books, because Alessandro's recommendation is to create based on his research, okay, on which tattoo coloring books are selling best. He's got his spy tools and all of that, so you know, take advantage of his experience and research and just follow his instructions and advice. And his advice is to create 100 pages coloring books. these ones are apparently selling well, and yeah, and how and what to do, how exactly to put them together, all of that. Just follow the training from the, I mean the training. There's many training courses inside of this PDF training. That's what I was trying to say. All right, back to the funnel. OTA number 3, a set of 1,548 extra prompts with more subjects for only $27. Okay, good deal. OTA number 4, a set of 2,397 mid-journey prompts for floral coloring book tattoos for $37. So it's a different niche. And OTA number 5, 4,612 prompts for creating tattoo coloring books with a gazillion of new subjects for $67. Woohoo! Happy days. OTA number 6, a set of 4,360 prompts for creating tattoo design books. A different niche on Kindle and on paper books, right? And it's $47. So that's the full funnel, quite clearly congruent with the front end. So guys, go through the funnel and click that link below my review to first purchase the front end. Okay, once you've purchased the front end, click this button here as soon as it goes live, and then just see what upsells appeal to you. Okay, right, and you will get my bonuses as well. You'll access them from inside of your members area, from inside of your you will access them from inside of your Warrior Plus account. Go to purchase history and then go to the product you've just purchased, which is obviously Tattoo Coloring Books Empire, and you will see affiliate bonuses there as well. So that's where you will find. From there you will get access to my bonuses, guys. Alright, love you and leave you, and see you very, very soon. Ciao.